Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the Time to Leave reminder feature in the Waze app on your phone. This reminder helps you leave on time for your trips by sending a notification before it's time to go. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll through the Settings menu and look for an option labeled Reminders. Tap on it to continue. Now, select the Time to Leave reminder option. This feature allows you to receive notifications based on your chosen preferences. You will now see a few options. You can choose to get notified exactly at the time you need to leave, 10 minutes before, or even earlier. Select the one that fits your routine best. Finally, make sure the reminder is toggled on. Once that's done, Waze will automatically notify you when it's time to head out, based on real-time traffic conditions and your planned route. That's it for today's guide on setting up Time to Leave reminders in Waze. This simple feature can help you stay punctual and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.